In this video, we are going to take a look at an app that you can use on your phones to navigate your Brightspace courses, and more specifically, how to hand in your assignments through your app. The first thing that you're going to do is download the Brightspace Pulse app, and you can do this by going to your device's Play Store. Type in Pulse, locate it, and install it. Once you've installed it, open it up. If this is the first time accessing the Pulse app, you will have to select your institution. Type in Comox Valley. Once you've done that, you can log in to the Brightspace environment. Tap Student and Teacher Login and use your student number at learn71.ca as your username and the same password that you would use at school. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click Sign In. Allow here if you would like to have push notifications. All of the active courses that you have in Brightspace will be listed on the courses page. Tabs along the bottom will allow you to access information from all of your courses, including upcoming courses and notifications. The Upcoming tab will bring up the calendar for all of your courses. Tapping on different dates will display items that have been assigned to you if you have the Work to Do tab selected. Tapping on the Events tab will display the items that have been posted on the home page. Tapping on All will display both within a certain date range. The Notifications tab will notify the student of any new items by displaying the notification badge beside the icon. Here, the student has new items to view. Tapping on it will allow the students to view any notifications listed on the home page for all courses. Tapping on the Course tab will display a list of all your active courses. Tapping on the course image will open the course and land on the Contents page. Here, you can explore what's in each unit by tapping on the unit heading. The check mark located to the right of the content item indicates that the page or the item has been completed. Different icons represent different types of content. Here on this screen, the quiz is represented by the icon with the question mark. Discussions is the comment icon. Content is the globe icon, and the assignment is the Dropbox icon. Tapping on the activity feed will display the course activity feed through the home page of the course. You may have to scroll down to locate the activity feed depending on where it is located. Posts in the activity feed can include general messages posted by the teacher, as well as direct links to assignments students need to complete. The Submit button will be present if this activity needs to be handed in. The Grades tab will display the list of graded items in the course. The grade that is displayed will depend on how the teacher has set up the gradebook. Tapping on the activity itself will display more information about each item. Let's take a look at how easy it is to hand in your work using the Brightspace Pulse app. The first thing that we need to do is find an activity where work has yet to be handed in. Assignments are identified by the Dropbox icon. You can tell if you've submitted work, as there will be a check mark beside the assignment. Locate your assignment, then scroll down to the Submit button. There are different types of submissions. Here in this case, this is just a text submission. To hand in this activity, you would type in your text in the text box provided, then click Submit. If your work needs to be a file submission, you have three options. Tapping on the Choose Existing will allow you to access your files in OneDrive. You may be prompted to log in. Use your SD71 credentials to do so. Navigate to where your file is located in your OneDrive. Tap on the box beside the file to check it, then tap Add. Tapping on the Upload option will provide you access to your mobile device's file or camera. Choose Files will navigate to the folder on your local device where you can select the file to submit. Take a Photo or Video will access the camera to take a photo of your completed work. One thing to note, sometimes the assignment must be handed in as a PDF. You have two options to do so. You can use your OneDrive app to take a picture and upload the file as a PDF, or you can use the device camera, take a picture and convert it to PDF right on your device files. There are instructions on Learn 71 on how to do this. The Record option will allow you to record an audio or video recording to attach to the submission. There is a place to write comments. This might be a quick message to your teacher or a self-reflection statement. Once you are done, click Submit to hand in the activity. If you would like to get to the course's homepage, all you need to do is open the course, tap on the ellipses on the top right-hand corner, then select Launch Course Homepage. Once on the course's homepage, you'll have access to all the information you normally would if you were accessing the course using a laptop or a tablet. Click on the three bars on the left-hand side. This will reveal the course navigation bar. From this view, students can click on any of the links to access what they need from the course. That's how easy it is to use the Brightspace Pulse app. For more information about Brightspace and the Pulse app, visit the Brightspace page on learn71.ca.